If you guys want to see how I achieve this beautiful island tropical pineapple bun, then keep on watching. Before we start, let's go ahead and make sure we subscribe and click that post notification bell and join my team. Now today's video is going to be the beautiful pineapple bun. We are just going to start by sectioning our hair. Of course, you can do any shape. I chose triangle. You can do squares, you can do circles, whatever you want to do. So you're basically just parting your hair at this moment. And just to kind of give you guys a clue of what I'm using, I am using my Eco Style Professional Olive Oil Gel, to each his own, and I got my rubber bands. At this moment, I am twisting up each triangle that I did just to kind of hold it in place so that I can get it ready for when I start, you know, attaching them together. So this is what it's looking like with 4 of my triangles done. This is definitely a little time consuming because you want to make sure your parts are as neat as possible. So yeah, you're going to be sitting down for a little while, but it's definitely worth it. Right here, I was like, okay, it's looking kind of good already, and I'm even done. I was really liking how it was coming out. I was like, ooh, check me out. Now, of course, to shorten the video, I know you guys don't want to see me do all of these triangles. I wouldn't want to watch that either. So this is how it's looking like when both rows are done. Yes, time consuming. You have to have patience, but I mean, it's cute or whatever. So since my hair is kind of thick, I am using my Eco Styler gel to twist my hair together for when it comes time to pull my hair back in a bun and connect the triangles, it won't look bulky.
They say MINK's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles, you can come on the tour bus, just please no.
Yes, Spider Gang. Now this time it wasn't so bad as doing the triangles, but everything is twisted. So we are going to get to connecting, which was a little challenge for me because I was like, oh my god, which way am I gonna put it? Some of them is looking crazy. It took me a little bit, but trial and error, it's okay. So I got it at the end of the day. So when you are done connecting all of your triangles, you are going to put your hair in the smallest bun as possible for when you put your braiding hair or whatever hair you decide to put as your bun. I also have these gold little accessories that you can attach to your braids, and I'm definitely putting these on my head to cover up the rubber bands, and so you can get these at your local beauty supply store. Honey, these are too long. I definitely did cut them a little past my shoulder because the long ones were unrealistic and it looked crazy. Yes. Yep, that definitely looks better to me. What y'all think? Yep. Okay. So now I am using some pre-stretched braiding hair that I had on handy. You can definitely use curly hair. That would definitely look beautiful, but I just used what I had, which was pre-stretched feather hair, and I tied it to the bun, of course. At first, the whole point of this hairstyle was for me to do a butterfly braid with this, but I ran out of extra hair and I ended up doing a braided bun, which still came out looking cute. So I'm definitely going to have to try the butterfly braid later down the line, guys. You can see me stretching it out, ready for it, girl, but it didn't work out. I was sad. Y'all want to know something? I could not find my bobby pins to save my life. So when I twisted it, it was either life or death. It was either hanging or falling. And for the little braided parts that I wrapped around are from the long braids on the side of my hair. When I cut them off, it was kind of the last minute thought, but I incorporated it into the bun and it still ended up looking cute. Doing some last minute touch-ups. I loved the way it came out. What do you guys think? Comment down below and give me some feedback. Honesty is always key. I was really feeling this hairstyle, y'all. And here is the finished look.
Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love, and we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon.
Yes, the work. That takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys love this hairstyle as much as I do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video.
When I met you in the